Today, I am reviewing the Logitech G920 Driving Force Racing Wheel. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start with the first thing you notice when you grip the wheel, which is the premium material quality. The wheel itself is wrapped in hand-stitched leather. This gives it the tactile, comfortable feel of a high-end sports car rather than a video game controller. It does not get slippery during intense, sweaty racing sessions, and it provides an excellent grip. Behind the wheel, you have stainless steel paddle shifters that give you a highly satisfying, crisp click every time you shift gears. There is no mushiness here, just a solid, mechanical response that makes manual shifting feel incredibly rewarding. But the real magic happens when you turn on your favorite racing title and feel the dual-motor force feedback system. The Logitech G920 does an exceptional job of translating what is happening underneath your virtual tires directly into your hands. If you hit a curb too hard, clip the grass, or lose traction on a wet track, you feel it immediately. The wheel actively fights against you, simulating the real-world physics of a car losing grip. Because it uses helical gearing, the steering is remarkably smooth and quiet, minimizing the clunking noises that older or cheaper wheels used to make. The 900-degree lock-to-lock rotation means you can spin the wheel 2.5 times, matching the exact steering ratio of a real race car, which gives you incredible precision when navigating tight hairpins or catching a drift. Moving down to the floor, the pedal unit is often the weakest link in budget racing setups, but Logitech really stepped up their game with this 3-pedal board. You get a clutch, a responsive gas pedal, and a pressure-sensitive, non-linear brake pedal. This non-linear brake is a massive deal for realism. It mimics the behavior of a real automotive braking system, meaning it gets stiffer the harder you press it. This allows you to develop true muscle memory for braking zones, preventing you from constantly locking up your tires. Plus, the pedal faces are fully adjustable, so you can tweak the spacing to suit your driving style, whether you prefer standard driving or advanced techniques like heel and toe downshifting. The base itself is sturdy, featuring a patented carpet grip system and rubber feet, ensuring it stays firmly in place on both carpets and hard floors during aggressive braking. It is worth noting that this specific model, the G920, is purpose-built and optimized for Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, Xbox One, and PC or Mac platforms. It does not work seamlessly with PlayStation consoles, so if you are a PS5 user, you will want to look at the sister model, the G29. But for Xbox and PC gamers, the integration is seamless. It is practically plug and play with most major racing titles like Forza, Assetto Corsa, and F1. You can also customize your button layouts, force feedback strength, and steering sensitivity directly through the Logitech G Hub software on PC. As a great bonus for eco-conscious gamers, Logitech has used 52% certified post-consumer recycled plastic in the construction of the G920, proving that you can get a high-tier gaming experience while being mindful of sustainability. If you want to expand your setup later, the ecosystem supports add-ons like the dedicated driving force shifter or various desk and rig mounts, meaning this wheel can grow with you as your passion for sim racing develops. If you're looking to elevate your racing games from casual arcade fun to true simulation, picking up the Logitech G920 during Prime Day is an absolute no-brainer. It delivers the premium build, realistic physics, and precision control that every virtual driver needs to dominate the track.